Today we're going to Boracay!
Hey everyone, good morning and welcome finally to my channel. And today we are going to
Boracay!
Yes, we're going to Boracay and finally mag-vlog na ako ulit. I mean, nag-vlog naman ako when we go to Bangkok and it was uploaded sa TikTok. Pero I realized na mas maganda if mag-start ulit ako mag-vlog kasi may babalikan ako. So yeah, third time ni Mami mag-Boracay saka ako and first time ni Daddy and ni Lexi. We are currently here sa Naiya Terminal 2 open parking. So dito sa Terminal 2, hindi siya covered unlike sa Terminal 3 na multi-level parking. And mag-overnight parking kami dito. So iiwan na lang namin yung kotse para mas convenient.
I'm Taya. Today I'm going to Boracay. I get play in the sand and go on the beach. And there's another seashell. Bye bye guys.
Hey, Mr. Sunshine, won't you turn your love my way? You've been holding back your shine.
Hey everyone, so here's a step-by-step guide from Boracay Airport to Boracay Island. We booked this transfer via Klook and you can always use my code for 5% discount. So step 1 is find this booth and paglabas lang ng airport, makikita nyo na to. Show your booking sa counter and they will give you a sticker with your hotel name on it. Then sasakay kayo ng coaster papunta sa Jetty Port. Super quick ride lang naman to and pag-arrive nyo sa Jetty Port, may sariling lounge ang Southwest and dun kayo mag-aantay. Isang advantage if you book your airport transfer is sila na bahala sa mga environmental fee and other fees, you just need to wait for boarding. And then, sasakay kayo ng speedboat and mga 5 to 10 minute ride lang ata yon para makarating na sa Boracay Island. But wait, there's more dahil pagdating nyo sa port, isasakay na naman kayo ng another land transfer para makapunta naman sa hotels. Kaya naman sobrang convenient talaga ng airport transfer dahil wala na kayong intindihin kundi sumakay lang ng sumakay. And by the way, our hotel is beachfront and located malapit sa D-Mall. Kaya kailangan lang namin lumakad mga 2-minute walk lang naman. And we stayed at Mandarin Nest Hotel Boracay. You can use my code Shaina Klook for a discount or Shaina Hotel para sa 8% hotel discount.
Welcome to Mandarin Nest!
Welcome to Boracay. Some glasses and some coffee. Some bottles and some mattresses, shower, and a toilet. Now let's begin!
We're here at Mandarin Nest. Hindi na ako napag-vlog kasi super haggard as you can see. Airport transfer, na-book namin siya sa Klook from airport to hotel and then yung ginamit naming mode of transportation after the speedboat ride is Ho-Ho. So, yan, beachfront siya pero malayo siya dun sa pinagbabaan namin kaya lumakad pa kami papunta dito and yeah, we booked this one on Klook and if you want 5% discount, use my code and another bigger discount if you use Shaina Hotel. So pwede nyo na yan i-redeem and then pag mag-book kayo automatic na yan magdi-discount when you check out.
1 a.m. but I'd swear it's sunset. Time with you slips off like a ghost. You and I have been a thing for quite some time now, and being with you never gets old.
We're back here in the hotel and we are now going out again to eat dinner / mga dessert lang.
Spaghetti.
So, let's go. Jollibee spaghetti, yeah. Bibilan ko siya ng Jolly spaghetti and we will eat yung mga dessert like Coco Mama, lahat ng mama na meron sa Boracay. Ito try natin.
Our sweet secret is we're just best friends. Yeah, you're my best friend. Spending free time in sweats and
ganun.